We have a speed breaker ahead, and we'll see whether it detects the speed breaker or not. And here is the speed breaker. No. Does it slow? No. Does it slow? Yes, emergency braking. But this is not for the speed breaker, this is for the car which just moved ahead of me. Okay, so again my road is clear, it is going ahead. So what we did just test right now, two things. One is, on the highway or anyway, if there is speed breaker, does the car detect speed breaker? No, it has a camera to detect the lane marking, but the same camera cannot detect speed breaker. I mean, it can see, but there is no algorithm, there is no coding behind it. Let's test again. We have this yellow marking of speed breakers. You see? No, it doesn't. No. No. Yes, but what about emergency braking? This is not emergency braking. This it will slow down. See, it slows down. Oh, it started again picking up. Then you have to take over the control. Okay, so I resume again. Again speed breaker. No, this yellow speed breaker, it should detect, but it cannot. Okay guys, so two things already we tested as per our requirement today. From the request to our one of our subscriber, he asked me that does this car detect speed breakers. The camera is there, but ideally it cannot detect speed breaker. What should be the ideal scenario? The ideal scenario is, if there is speed breaker, the yellow marks are there, it should be able to detect, and at least 10% 20% speed it should reduce by itself, not by harsh braking, by slowing down. I mean, that can make your driving easier. And one more thing about this auto emergency braking, guys, AEB, people call it AEB, auto emergency braking, or whatever you call. Different manufacturers call it different names, but the thing is, in India people have this mixed reaction. It can break your car, stop your car in traffic jam or anywhere. Guys, my AEB is on from day one. Okay, and I have drove 3,100 kilometers. I have shown it, I have recorded it. Nowhere my car did any abrupt braking or any problem that happened because of AEB. No, nothing happened. Only thing is, it slows down. You just saw at the beginning of the video, it slows down to avoid collision. Okay, and it is good. It is I'd say it is even better, because if you don't slow down, let's say if your car doesn't put auto emergency braking, you will hit the somebody else. Now people have some mixed reaction that if I stop suddenly, the car behind me can hit me. So if the car is hitting you from the behind, is it better than you hit somebody from the behind? Okay, so you have to be very logical about it. And nowhere my car did any abrupt braking without any logic. It did braking, but before that I took control, because I knew where braking is required. Okay, so if you are alert, if you are driving the car by yourself, I mean, you have your hands and you have your brakes, everything, then act before your car acts. Okay, when your car acts, before that you should take control and you should act before. See, my car will slow down, it is slowing down, so this is not a problem. I know when my car will slow down. And 1 second, 2 seconds before, I can apply my brakes. And I don't want to raise a situation where AEB has to activate. That is the ideal scenario. So if people are crazy on the road, that is up to them. I don't blame them. Yes, but my opinion about this braking is about this what it is a speed breakers. See, we need to reduce some speed when we are at the speed breakers, and where manual intervention becomes necessary, okay, everywhere. But this car or any car, see, people are thinking that I am just promoting this car because I bought it. I am not promoting this XC3 so they are not giving me any incentive to promote or anything. What I am saying, any car who has level 2 ADAS, it doesn't detect speed breakers, but it should detect. Even the my dash cam I have it. See, there should be a provision, right, where the speed breaker is, where I'm slowing down. Let's say my car doesn't know where the speed breaker is. When I'm slowing down and the car has a up and down, right, a bump, so it should record its GPS location, and the next time it should, you know, react like this. At this GPS location there has a speed breaker, and we can share the data, you know, on the server all over the country, so that one car passes to a speed breaker, one car detects a speed breaker at some point, the other cars get, you know, get the data, and it gets fed in the car. So it is a what we call it as V2X or some connected technology, but this is not available in India. I mean, I don't know, no car manufacturer is working on it. If you call about BMW or other, see, I'm not going to that segment. That is not a car for the mass. Okay, one more thing, guys. Already I made quite a lot videos on 3XO, different scenarios, different conditions. If you want me to review other cars also, let's say Elevate or Creta or you know, other Kia Seltos or other cars, if you want me to review, I don't have those cars, okay. And you know, car manufacturers, my channel is so small, they don't you know, they will not give me their car to test. I talked to a friend and he told me you need at least 50,000 subscribers and a decent amount of subscribers, so that car manufacturers give value to you and they, you know, give you to test their cars. So if you want me to, you know, review or test different cars, then you have to subscribe and you have to empower this channel, so that car manufacturers find value, you know, in giving their car for testing. And when I test this car, or if in future, even if I get that opportunity to test any other cars, I don't just make one videos and, you know, tell you that how beautiful it is, the headlight is there. I don't like that kind of review. I like drive review. I mean, in different conditions, in different scenarios, not only how good the engine is, how you know, this is the performance is. It's not like that. The way I want to do, I already did in my 3XO. If you like you know, my review or my drive experience, then guys, you have to subscribe my channel and you have to empower it, so that I can bring new cars or other cars, other manufacturer give their cars to me for you to review or to, you know, give my opinion. One more speed breaker is coming. I increase my speed to 90. No, it doesn't care about speed breakers. So that's it for the video. I hope you already enjoyed it. Please like and comment. Thank you so much.